150 miles an hour, 7 more miles an hour, and we have a Category 5 once again. It was a Category 5 last night at 11 o'clock with winds at 160. Incredible hurricane. You have to go back a long time to find a hurricane this strong in the Atlantic Basin. This one has about a 20-mile wide eye, and it actually did a little loop this afternoon. If you look closely on the satellite loop and watch the eye, you can see it actually does a little spin there in the last couple of frames, but the general motion is toward the north, maybe the north-northwest, the next few hours as it takes aim at Jamaica next. So it's Category 4. Here's the forecast track. There is Monday at 2 in the morning, a 4 still. We drop down to a 3 and then a 2 as it crosses over some mountains and the eastern tip of Cuba. That happens on Tuesday afternoon. So a Category 2 and then bumped up to a 3 once again as it moves into the central Bahamas on Wednesday afternoon. We're not in the error cone yet, but as we get into Thursday afternoon, this is the closest approach to us. So it's about 250 miles off West Palm Beach at this point, winds at 115 miles an hour. Now the tropical storm force winds stretch out roughly 200 miles from the center. So we're right on the edge of this for late Wednesday and Thursday. So we're going to pick up some gusty winds here on this forecast track. And also keep in mind this is an error cone that is into South Florida. So any shift toward the west and we will see obviously stronger winds and heavier rainfall. Some good news today. The GFS model, one of the best in the world, shifted a little farther east and is matching up with the European model, taking this just to the east of Abacos and then tracking up toward the Carolina coastline after that. Now, there are some outliers that still bring it closer to the coast. This is the UK Met model, and it brings it obviously paralleling the coastline. So that's why we're still in that error cone at day 5 on Thursday. So it's one to watch. As far as the probability of seeing tropical storm force winds here in South Florida, we're up just a little less than 20%. So about a 1 in 5 chance of seeing winds at 40 to 45 miles an hour, maybe a little bit stronger. So definitely not 50-50. Obviously near the core of this, you see eastern Cuba looking at almost a 90% chance of tropical storm force winds. Hurricane hunters have been flying through this nonstop during the day.